to the AI with some pizza in your eye with your 6 digits. Or maybe dismiss it before being led by digi infants. They say don't ask why, everybody do the AI. I'm not some neanderthal, slapping my sandy hands on the wall. I love technology like my name is Kit, but I'll be damned if I'm a be microchipped. Bad enough I carry the spark zone that inspires that shit. It's called a smartphone, but now they have it all aligned to track mankind like Cyberdyne. The real ordinary born from borgs and camera, cause mine since 2004 it's been hammer time, but not of the MC variety in a PC society. As we watch the rise of AI out, those lines of dust in the sky. Do the AI push some pizza in your eye with your 6 digits? Or maybe dismiss it before being led by digi infants. They say don't ask why, everybody do the AI. A point of interest, it sounds like AI, the popular optical that they like. A singular foolish pupil schooling you to the fury and violence they wanna use to silence you. They lie, rob and walk what you think, under the eye of Rob with no blink. At least that's what the leaks have taught me. The digi breeds Illuminati. The long timelines, my minds, in spite of often sloppy. Now they might up and off me for coughing on knowledge, solid like cups of coffee. I know the I stands for intelligence, but this background resounds with relevance. That's the facts about the I. Say, what's that dust way up in the sky? Do the AI push some pizza in your eye with your 6 digits? Or maybe dismiss it before being led by digi infants. They say don't ask why, everybody do the AI. AI is like a pot of stew. It's all about improving and what they like to chew. It ain't superior, really new. It's just a collab, a blab of mass minds, damn a few. And they might even swipe your lines without asking you. That's the name of the game in infotech, to take the lanes with no respect. So don't expect a check. Maybe we should have been more nervous before swerving what we serve via terms of service. Any other contract has I to react, reading every line like a gripping novel. But through TOS we built a hovel, one they don't even want us to own. Now they tell us there'll be no meat, much less a bone. Oh, nothing. Be happy, don't fuss, that nothing includes your mind. Say, what's that dust way up in the sky? Do the AI put some pizza in your eye with your 6 digits? Or maybe dismiss it before being led by digi infants. They say don't ask why, everybody do